Pour 2.5 quarts of water into a large pot. And heat to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once at temperature, pour in all of the malt. And gently stir until the mash has a consistency similar to oatmeal. After adding the grain, the temperature will drop to approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 60 minutes at 144 to 152 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring every 10 minutes. Use a thermometer to take measurements from multiple locations. You will not need to apply constant heat, but get it to temperature, then turn off the heat. Monitor, stir, and adjust the temperature to keep in range. Towards the end of the mash, heat an additional 4 quarts or 1 gallon of water to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. After mashing for 60 minutes, heat the mash to 170 degrees Fahrenheit while stirring constantly. This is called mashing out. Place a mesh strainer over a third pot. Carefully add the hot grain mash, pouring through the strainer, collecting the liquid in the pot. The collected liquid is now called wort. Pour the additional gallon of water over the grain. Then transfer the grain in the strainer to the original pot and pour through the hot wort, once again running it over and through the grain. And repeat once more. After this step, you can discard the grain or use it in baking. Bring the wort to a boil and start the timer for 60 minutes. At the beginning of the 60 minutes, add 3/4 of the hops. With 15 minutes remaining in the boil, add the remaining hops. I also added brewing chocolate from Hawaii for an even stronger chocolate flavor. At the end of the boil, turn off the heat and pour in 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup. Cover the pot and transfer to an ice bath in the sink. Once the wort has cooled to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, use an autosiphon to transfer into a clean and sanitized carboy. Finally, pitch the yeast. Add a stopper and shake gently to aerate the wort. All right, and just like that, we have concluded our brew day, including the mash, the sparge, the boil, and we've got it all ready to go to sit and ferment now for the next 1 to 2 weeks before we transfer to secondary. Now, I did make the executive decision to go ahead and add some brewer's chocolate to this chocolate maple porter because I'm sure there was some chocolate malt in the mix, but honestly, I was like, you know what, I want to go full out with the chocolate and the maple flavor. So shout out to Manoa Chocolate on the island of Oahu in Hawaii for this brewer's chocolate. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I'm going to go ahead and create a blow-off assembly just in case of any aggressive fermentation. And be sure to check back in a couple weeks when we transfer to secondary, then eventually bottle, and of course my favorite, tasting. Thank you all for joining me here on HomebrewTube, and until next time, cheers.